Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Honda Odyssey 2025 to 2026? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your minivan car electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box Type A in the 2025 to 2026 Honda Odyssey is a high-capacity, intelligent electrical distribution hub positioned beneath the driver's side dashboard, serving as the primary interface for the vehicle's cabin electronics and advanced control systems. As a core component of the Odyssey's updated electrical architecture, this assembly continues to integrate the multiplex integrated control unit, which handles the sophisticated communication protocols required for the van's modern driver assistance features, infotainment systems, and automated comfort functions. By housing the control logic and fuse array in one compact, highly organized unit, the design ensures that power is distributed efficiently to high-demand systems such as power sliding doors, interior ambient lighting, advanced climate control sensors, and multi-zone infotainment, while simultaneously reducing the overall complexity and weight of the vehicle's interior wiring harnesses. Beyond its role as a control hub, the Type A fuse box provides robust overcurrent protection, featuring a dense grid of blade fuses engineered to safeguard the integrity of the vehicle's sensitive electronic modules. Each circuit is meticulously mapped and calibrated to protect against electrical surges, short circuits, or ground faults that could occur within the cabin's intricate system of motors, sensors, and displays. Should a fault arise, the fuse is designed to act as a sacrificial safety gate, breaking the circuit instantly to prevent fire hazards and shield expensive electronic control units from irreversible damage. For service accessibility, the protective access cover features an updated high-visibility diagram that explicitly identifies each slot's amperage and function, allowing technicians to quickly isolate issues in the Odyssey's complex electrical environment and ensure that the van's safety and convenience systems remain in peak operating condition throughout its life cycle. The passenger compartment fuse box Type B in the 2025 to 2026 Honda Odyssey serves as a dedicated auxiliary electrical distribution center, specifically engineered to support the expanding power requirements of the vehicle's rear cabin and comfort-focused features. Situated as a secondary panel away from the primary driver's side hub, this assembly is designed to localize the electrical load for systems such as the second and third row auxiliary power outlets, rear climate control actuators, and select entertainment interface modules. By effectively offloading these high-demand convenience systems from the primary multiplex integrated control unit, the Type B box minimizes overall wiring complexity. The passenger compartment fuse box Type C in the 2025 to 2026 Honda Odyssey, often designated as the rear electrical junction block, is a specialized compact distribution unit strategically located within the vehicle's cargo area or rear side trim panel. This module is essential for managing the high-utility electrical requirements of the rear cabin, effectively serving as the dedicated power gateway for third-row amenities and heavy-duty cargo bay accessories. By centralizing the control for features such as rear climate control actuators, power-operated tailgate lift modules, and additional auxiliary power ports, this unit ensures that high-current loads are kept physically and electrically isolated from the sensitive logic circuits and communication buses housed in the primary dashboard-mounted fuse box. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box Type A in the 2025 to 2026 Honda Odyssey functions as the vehicle's primary high-power distribution center, situated within the engine bay to provide a centralized gateway between the battery and the van's most critical electrical systems. This robust, weather-sealed assembly is engineered to manage substantial electrical loads, housing high-amperage link fuses, relays, and circuit breakers that protect essential components such as the engine control module, radiator cooling fans, anti-lock braking system modulator, and the alternator charging circuit. By consolidating Consolidating these high-draw systems into a single, durable, and temperature-resistant enclosure, the unit minimizes voltage drop and prevents engine bay environmental hazards, such as moisture, extreme heat, and debris, from compromising the electrical connections that are vital for powertrain reliability. Beyond its primary function as a safeguard against overcurrent conditions, this fuse box acts as a crucial diagnostic and management interface for the vehicle's electrical architecture. The internal relays are electronically controlled by the vehicle's onboard computer to seamlessly manage the high current demands of components like the starter solenoid and fuel pump, ensuring efficient energy usage while shielding delicate wiring harnesses from potential fire hazards caused by short circuits or catastrophic power surges. The protective cover is meticulously designed for serviceability, featuring a clear, high-contrast schematic on its underside that enables technicians to rapidly map and identify specific fuses and relays during maintenance. This organizational precision, combined with the unit's ability to maintain stable current delivery despite intense thermal and vibrational stressors, makes the Type A engine compartment fuse box a foundational component in preserving the overall integrity and performance of the 2025 to 2026 Honda Odyssey platform. The engine compartment fuse box, Type B, in the 2025 to 2026 Honda Odyssey serves as a specialized secondary power distribution module engineered to handle auxiliary high-load circuits that are physically or operationally distinct from the primary engine management systems. While the Type A box handles the powertrain's backbone, the Type B assembly is typically positioned to provide localized, high-current protection for specific subsystems, such as advanced lighting control modules, dedicated towing-related circuitry, or auxiliary cooling fans for the vehicle's powertrain and electrical systems. Rear side interior fuse box. The rear side interior fuse box in the 2018 to 2024 Honda Odyssey, often identified as the auxiliary or cargo area fuse panel, acts as a dedicated electrical distribution point for the vehicle's rear cabin convenience and utility features. Situated behind a side panel trim in the rear cargo area, this module is engineered to manage the localized power demands of components located in the second and third rows, such as the rear auxiliary power outlets, rear cabin climate control actuators, and select entertainment interface modules. By isolating these circuits from the front-mounted primary fuse boxes, the vehicle's design effectively reduces the length and complexity of wiring harnesses running the length of the van, which in turn minimizes the risk of signal interference and ensures more stable voltage delivery to rear-seated passengers. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.